The YouTube advantage dropshipping without the inventory headache. You've got a passion. Maybe it's fitness, fashion, or handcrafted fidget spinners. You dream of sharing that passion with the world and building a business around it. But the thought of managing inventory, packing boxes, and shipping orders makes you break out in a cold sweat. Enter dropshipping. Dropshipping lets you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. You partner with a supplier who handles the storage, packing, and shipping, while you focus on marketing and customer service. And what better platform to market your products than YouTube? With its massive reach and engaged audience, YouTube is a dropshipper's dream come true. Create engaging video content, showcasing your products, connect with potential customers, and drive traffic to your online store. But before you start filming unboxing videos, you need to find reliable dropshipping suppliers. After all, they'll be handling a crucial part of your business. Finding your perfect match. Identifying reliable dropshipping suppliers. So, how do you find these elusive dropshipping partners? Start by exploring online directories specifically designed for dropshippers. Websites like SaleHoo, Worldwide Brands, and Doba offer curated lists of vetted suppliers. Think of them as matchmakers for your e-commerce business. Don't limit yourself to directories. Explore industry-specific trade shows and online forums. These gatherings are goldmines for uncovering hidden gems and connecting with reputable suppliers. Remember, your goal is to find suppliers who align with your values and business goals. Look for partners who prioritize quality, offer competitive pricing, and provide excellent customer service. Trust but verify due diligence for dropshipping success. You found a few potential dropshipping partners. Excitement bubbles. But hold your horses. Before you dive headfirst into a business relationship, it's crucial to do your due diligence. Start by ordering samples of the products you're considering selling. This allows you to assess the quality firsthand and ensure it meets your standards. Plus, you'll experience the supplier's shipping and handling process. Next, scour the internet for reviews and testimonials from other businesses who've worked with the supplier. Look for patterns in their feedback. Are they known for timely deliveries, responsive communication, and smooth order fulfillment? Remember, a little bit of research up front can save you from headaches and heartache down the line. The price is right, balancing cost and quality in dropshipping. One of the biggest draws of dropshipping is its low startup cost. You don't need to invest in inventory up front, which frees up your capital for marketing and other essential expenses. However, it's crucial to find a balance between cost and quality. While it might be tempting to choose the supplier with the absolute lowest prices, remember that rock-bottom prices often come with trade-offs. These trade-offs might include lower quality products, slower shipping times, or poor customer service. Instead of focusing solely on price, prioritize suppliers who offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality, reliability, or customer satisfaction. Remember, your customers won't know or care where you source your products. They'll only remember their experience with your brand. YouTube integration, showcasing your dropshipping products. You've found your perfect dropshipping match, and you're ready to share your passion with the world. It's time to fire up your YouTube channel and start creating engaging content that showcases your products. Unboxing videos are a great way to generate excitement and provide viewers with a first-hand look at your products. Create high-quality videos with good lighting and clear audio. Be authentic, enthusiastic, and don't be afraid to show your personality. Consider collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche. Cross-promotion is a powerful tool for reaching new audiences and expanding your customer base. Remember, your YouTube channel is an extension of your brand. Make it visually appealing, informative, and entertaining. Ready, set, dropship, taking action for e-commerce success. Dropshipping offers an incredible opportunity to turn your passion into a profitable business. By partnering with reliable suppliers and leveraging the power of YouTube, you can reach a global audience and build a brand you're proud of. Remember, success in e-commerce requires more than just finding great products. It demands dedication, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing online landscape. So what are you waiting for? Take action today. Start researching dropshipping suppliers, brainstorm engaging YouTube content ideas, and take the first step towards building your e-commerce empire. The world is waiting to discover your unique products and experience your passion.